Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. In this video I'm gonna show you the best sightseeings in Budapest. Here we have lady tuk-tuk driver. This here you see is the St. Stephen Church, which is the most famous Basilica. What you see in the background is the Bastion Castle, which is also called as a fisherman castle, and this is a must visit place because it looks so beautiful. So basically it is called as a fisherman castle, not because it belongs to the fisherman, of course. Beside the castle there used to be a fish market, and hence it is called as fisherman castle. Here you can see, due to the heat wave in the summer, people are enjoying some sprinkles here. They have made a sprinkler here and people are enjoying the shower, tiny showers. So guys, in the background you can see is the chain bridge, and just opposite of the chain bridge there you can see is a funicular train, that tiny toy train that you can take till the top, and from there you will have the complete view of Danube River and the Budapest city. Within Budapest, you don't need any transport service. You can just cover all the famous sites on foot, except the Elizabeth Tower. In the background you can see is the chain bridge, and I'm here at a viewpoint from where the view of entire Danube, the chain bridge and some parts of Budapest is very beautiful, and you can walk here by foot. There are plenty of boat rides and cruise rides in Danube River, and I suggest if you guys are lacking in time and want to explore the city, not like me on foot but in the boat, then do go for one of the boat trip. It's worth taking them because it's amazing out here. The Shoes on the Danube Bank is a memorial erected in 2005 to honor the Jews who were massacred by fascist Hungarian militia during the Second World War. When in Budapest, make sure that you enjoy the sunset view, one sitting by the side of Parliament and the second day opposite of Parliament, to have some amazing sunset in Budapest. So guys, I'm at Elizabeth Tower having some langosh with the view of Budapest. Buda and Pest are the two parts of the Budapest city, which is separated by the Danube river in between. So the region which is on the high ground is Buda and the region on the lower ground is Pest. In Buda region you find the Buda castle and the fisherman castle, whereas on the Pest you find the parliament and the church. Currency of Budapest is forint, but you don't have to worry because everywhere here euro is accepted. Ten minutes walk from the parliament on the Margaret Island, they have a musical fountain show which is a must-do thing when in Budapest, and it runs until 10 p.m. every hour and the entry is free.